Going out for a surf?
Yeah, going to catch some waves.
Be safe, kiddo. It's been hard, Sam. My daughter's body was found in pieces. I've seen a lot of sharks, but I've never seen anything that's done that.
We might have a great white that's killing for sport.
We have a whole week of fun with sun, snorkeling, booze.
Let's go, everyone. Time to go. We're going to make sure you see the sights and have some fun. Island's all yours for the next 24 hours. Nothing but peace and quiet.
Get in here.
What do you think you're doing?
You've got a man-eater on your hands, Sheriff. Guess I'm gonna have to go out there and remind that fish exactly where he is on the food chain.